In today's video, I'll show you on how you'd be able to disable ad blocker in a Chrome browser. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you on how you can disable the built-in ad blocker here in Chrome. So first is that you want to click here on the three dots on the top right and click on settings. In here is that you would want to go into the privacy and security right here and go into site settings. And then from here, just simply want to scroll down until you see pop-ups and redirects. And basically, if you'd want to allow it, you want to go for this option. Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. And then after you have enabled that, so make sure to choose this. But in my case, I don't want to disable my ad blockers. I'm going to go and stay with this one. The next one that you'd want to enable is that you want to go back and go into additional content settings and go into the intrusive ads and make sure to choose this option. Right here, any site you visit can show any ad to you to enable the ads. And lastly is that you would want to check your extensions in here because you might be using an extension that blocks ads or is an ad blocker extension. You want to make sure that you turn it off or click here on remove. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.